Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Because today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of ethical hacking. We're talking about 15 beginner-friendly hacking projects that'll take you from zero to hero in no time. Whether you're a tech enthusiast who loves tinkering or you're just starting to dip your toes into the vast ocean of cybersecurity, these projects are the perfect way to learn by doing. We're talking hands-on experience that'll give you a real feel for how hacking works, all while building up your skills and making you a more security-conscious individual. So, smash that like button, hit subscribe if you're new, and let's hack into this awesome list. First up, we're tackling a classic, the password cracker. Understand how passwords can be compromised and why strong, unique passwords are crucial. We'll use Python to build a basic password cracker, see firsthand how vulnerable weak passwords are. It's like poking holes in your defenses. Learn about brute force and dictionary attacks. You'll be amazed at how quickly weak passwords can be cracked. We'll cover best practices for creating uncrackable passwords. So grab your coding hats, and let's get cracking. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get sneaky. In this chapter, we're diving into the world of keyloggers. We'll be building a basic keylogger using Python, but don't worry, we'll be keeping things completely ethical. This project is all about understanding how keystrokes can be captured and the importance of protecting your devices. You'll see how easily a keylogger can be hidden in the background, silently recording everything you type. We'll walk through the code, explaining how it hooks into your system's keyboard inputs and logs every keystroke. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding how these tools work is the first step in defending yourself against them. So let's put on our detective hats and dive into the world of keylogging. Ever wonder what's going on behind the scenes when you're browsing the web, sending emails, or streaming your favorite cat videos? Well, wonder no more, because today, we're becoming digital detectives and building our very own network sniffer. We'll be using Python and a handy library called Scapy to capture and analyze network traffic in real time. It's like having X-ray vision for your network, revealing all the hidden packets of data flying around. We'll walk through the code step by step, breaking down how to capture packets, filter the data, and even identify different protocols like HTTP and DNS. You'll be amazed at how much information is being transmitted right under your nose. It's a powerful tool for understanding how networks work and identifying potential security vulnerabilities. Alright folks, buckle up because we're about to venture into slightly more advanced territory. In this chapter, we're building a Wi-Fi Deauther, a tool that can temporarily disconnect devices from a Wi-Fi network. We'll be using a Raspberry Pi and a few lines of code to craft packets that mimic deauthentication signals, effectively kicking devices off a network. It's a powerful demonstration of how vulnerable Wi-Fi networks can be and why securing your own network is absolutely crucial. This project is all about understanding how deauthentication attacks work, so you can better protect yourself. We'll be covering how to detect and prevent these attacks, as well as the legal ramifications of using these tools irresponsibly. So let's explore the world of Wi-Fi deauthentication responsibly and ethically. Dive into databases with our SQL injection tester. Understand web vulnerabilities and protect against them. Use Python and SQL to craft and test queries. Experiment safely in a controlled environment. Your personal hacking sandbox. Step-by-step guide to identify and exploit vulnerabilities. Learn best practices to prevent SQL injection. Grab your keyboards and inject some knowledge. Ever wonder if your computer systems have any security holes that hackers could exploit? In this chapter, we're building a vulnerability scanner using Python. It's like a digital security checkup for your devices. We'll focus on scanning systems you have permission to test, identify weaknesses and patch them before hackers do. We'll walk through the code step by step, covering best practices to keep hackers at bay. Grab your coding hats and let's get scanning. All right, folks, time to get a little sneaky. We're diving into phishing simulations to learn how these attacks work and how to spot them. Using Evil Ginks, we'll create a fake login page to understand attackers' tactics. Learn to protect yourself from these scams and stay one step ahead. So put on your detective hats and let's dive into the world of phishing. Ever wonder what those mysterious ports are that you hear tech people talking about? Well, wonder no more. In this chapter, we're building our very own port scanner using Python. Think of it like a digital doorbell for your computer network. We'll be using Python and a library called Socket to scan a target system and see which ports are open and listening for connections. It's a fundamental tool for network reconnaissance and security auditing. The goal is to understand how port scanning works and how it can be used to identify potential security vulnerabilities. We'll walk through the code step by step, explaining how to scan for open ports, identify running services, and even banner grab to get more information about the services running on those ports. It's like having X-ray vision for your network. Let's talk about strong passwords. We'll build a brute force attack tool using Python. This tool shows why strong, unique passwords are crucial. We'll try different password combinations against a target system. Weak passwords are vulnerable to brute force attacks. We'll explain how brute force attacks work and how to create uncrackable passwords. So grab your coding hats and let's learn about strong passwords. Hold on to your hats, folks. We're diving into the world of social engineering. Learn the art of persuasion to access sensitive information. Explore the social engineering toolkit for real-world attack simulations. Understand techniques and protect yourself from attacks. Walk through set modules from phishing pages to spear phishing emails. Learn best practices to stay ahead of attackers. Put on your skeptical hats and explore social engineering. Ever wonder what makes malware tick? We're building a malware analysis sandbox, a safe environment to dissect malicious software. Using VirtualBox, we'll create an isolated environment to run malware safely. Analyze malware behavior, network activity, and system modifications. Become a digital detective, understanding malware and its intentions. Learn best practices for handling malware safely. Discover how researchers study threats to develop countermeasures. Let's dive into the world of malware analysis. Ever wanted to send secret messages that only your intended recipient could read? Well, in this chapter, we're diving into the world of steganography, the art of hiding data in plain sight. We'll be using modern steganographic techniques that manipulate the digital bits of files to hide data in a way that's practically invisible to the naked eye. We'll walk through the code step by step, explaining how to embed data, extract it, and even cover some basic steganalysis techniques to detect hidden messages. You'll be amazed at how much data you can hide without anyone suspecting a thing. So, put on your spy hats, grab your secret decoder rings, and let's dive into the world of steganography. Alright, folks, time to talk about a topic that sends shivers down everyone's spines: ransomware. In this chapter, we're building a ransomware simulator using Python. We're going to be building a simulated ransomware program that encrypts files, just like the real deal. However, ours will have a backdoor that allows us to easily decrypt the files. The goal is to understand how ransomware works, the damage it can cause, and most importantly, how to protect yourself from becoming a victim. We'll also be covering best practices for protecting yourself from ransomware, including regular backups, strong passwords, and keeping your software up to date. So, grab your coding hats, fire up your Python interpreters, and let's learn how to defeat ransomware. Ever wanted to gather data from the web automatically? In this chapter, we're building a web scraper using Python and a library called Beautiful Soup. Web scraping can be a powerful tool for research and analysis, but it's important to respect websites' terms of service and avoid overloading their servers. We'll be writing a script that fetches data from websites, parses the HTML structure, and extracts specific information like product prices, news headlines, or social media posts. We'll walk through the code step by step, explaining how to send HTTP requests, parse HTML with Beautiful Soup, and extract the data you need. We'll also be covering best practices for ethical web scraping, including respecting robots.txt rules, setting appropriate request headers, and throttling your requests to avoid overwhelming websites. So put on your data scientist hats, grab your keyboards, and let's get scraping. And for our final act, we're setting a trap. Well, not a real trap, more like a digital honey trap. In this chapter, we're building a honeypot, a decoy system designed to attract and analyze attackers. We'll be using various tools and techniques to set up a honeypot that looks like a tempting target for attackers. We'll then monitor their activity, log their every move, and analyze their techniques to learn how they operate and what they're after. It's like having a front row seat to the world of cyber attacks, but from the safety of our own digital fortress. We'll also be covering best practices for deploying and managing honeypots safely and responsibly. So put on your detective hats, grab your magnifying glasses, and let's delve into the world of honeypots. And there you have it, folks. 15 beginner-friendly hacking projects that'll take you from script kiddie to ethical hacking hero in no time. The world of cybersecurity is vast and constantly evolving, so never stop learning, experimenting, and pushing your boundaries. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so use your newfound knowledge for good, protect yourself and others, and always strive to be a force for good in the digital world. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep on hacking.